Hello friends, welcome to another session of Fingertips. In today's session, I will discuss about the profit and loss. For discussing profit and loss, we should know some key terms. What are these key terms? First of all, we should know what is cost price and what is selling price, what is loss, what is profit. So, what is cost price? It is the price at which a dealer purchases its goods. So this is known as the cost price. What is the selling price? So selling price is the price at which the dealer sells its goods. So then what is the profit? The profit is when the selling price of that good is more than that of the cost price, so the dealer will experience a profit. So when he experiences a loss, the loss is when the selling price is less than that of the cost price, then the dealer will experience a loss. Can we calculate the percentage of the profit and the loss which is dealer facing? Yes, we can calculate it. For calculating the profit percentage, we have a very simple formula, that is the profit percentage. We should know the profit upon the cost price, which I am writing as CP, cost price, multiplied by 100. This is the profit percentage which a dealer is having, and for the loss percentage, it can be simply calculated as loss upon cost price into 100. So this is the profit percent made by the dealer and this is the loss percent made by the dealer. Another thing we are going to discuss is what are the key things we should know while calculating the profit and loss. The key things which we should remember are: first, what is the cost price? I have told you. What is the selling price? You know now. Then what is the profit? Profit is always when selling price is greater than cost price, and it is calculated as SP minus CP. A dealer experiences a profit when SP is greater than CP. So the profit can be calculated by subtracting CP from the SP. Second one, we should know loss. How we can calculate the loss? A dealer experiences a loss when its CP is greater than SP. Means he is selling that article or his good at the cheaper rate than the cost price. So we can calculate the loss by calculating by CP minus SP. We can calculate the loss. First of all, we should also know, before solving the problems related to loss, profit and loss, we should know what are the overhead expenditures. Overhead expenditures. Now these are the expenditures which a dealer faces while handling of the goods. Means the transportation of goods, storage of goods, he is spending some amount. These are known as the overhead expenditures, and whenever there are overhead expenditures, these are to be added in the cost price of that article or for that dealer. Now let me explain how can we calculate the SP or CP when we have a percentage profit. Suppose everything is given in profit, which is in percentage. How can we calculate the selling price of an article if we are given profit percentage? So selling price will be equal to the cost price plus the profit percentage of cost price. Means it can be further deducted as CP plus P upon 100 into CP. Simplifying it, we will get 1 plus P upon 100 into CP. So, knowing the values of CP and profit percentage, we can calculate the selling price for that and for that article. Similar way, we can calculate the cost price if we know the profit percentage and selling price, which comes out to be SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit. With this simple formula, we can calculate the cost price of that article. Now, if the dealer experiences a loss, then how can we calculate the selling price of that article? Selling price when there is a loss will equal to the cost price minus loss upon 100 into cost price, which comes out to be 1 minus loss upon 100 into cost price. From here, cost price can also be calculated, which comes out to be 100 into selling price upon 100 minus loss. So, by applying these two simple formulas, we can calculate the selling price or the cost price, whether the dealer is experiencing a loss or a profit. For profit, always it is to be added in the cost price. For loss, every loss, the loss is to be subtracted from that cost price. Let me explain the fundas of profit and loss with the simple example. Suppose this is the example 1. Suppose if a person buys a watch at the cost price of 540 rupees. So the cost price here is 540 rupees and sells it at 585 rupees. The first part, we should know whether he'll experience a gain or a loss. If it's a gain, then how much gain is made by the person. And second, we have to calculate the gain percentage. Very simple to calculate. As we can see that selling price is 585 and the cost price is 540. So the value of SP is greater than that of the CP, which means that a person has experienced a gain. He is being benefited in this transaction. So how much gain is there? So the gain can be calculated, as I have told you earlier, that whenever SP is greater, so means SP minus CP. Gain can be 585 minus 540 rupees. So the gain will be of 45 rupees. Now how can we calculate the gain percentage made by that person? For gain percentage, we are again having the formula, means gain upon CP into 100, which comes out to be, gain is of 45 rupees, 40 into CP is 540 into 100, which comes out to be 4500 divided by 540. We can simplify it to get the gain percentage. Now simplifying it, we'll get 81 by 3%. So in this simple way, we can calculate the gain and the gain percent made by that person. Now the another example I am taking for profit and loss is example 2, which is suppose Raju sells a calculator at the cost of 1500. So the selling price will be 1500 rupees and he makes a profit percentage of 25% in this transaction. So what is the cost price of that calculator? It is very simple to calculate, as we know that selling price is equal to 1 plus profit percentage upon 100 into CP. From here we can calculate the CP comes out to be SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage, which is 25. So knowing the values of SP, we can have 1500 multiplied by 100 divided by 125. 25 4s are 100, 25 5s are 125, 5 3s are 15, doubles, which comes out to be 300 multiplied by 4, which comes out to be 1200 rupees. This means that the cost price for Raju is 1200 rupees, which he sells for 1500 rupees and makes a profit of 25%. Now the another example is is example number 3. If a shopkeeper or a dealer sells his article, bag or anything for an amount of 704 rupees and experiences a loss of 14%. Here the loss is 14% and the selling price is 704 rupees for that bag. What is the cost price of that bag? Now again the same formula, selling price will be equal to 100 into selling price divided by 100 minus loss, which is 14, loss percentage which is 14, 100 into 704 divided by 100 minus 14. 100 minus 14 comes out to be 86. So 704 into 100 divided by 86, which comes out to be 800 rupees. So the cost price of that article is 800 rupees, which he is selling for 704 rupees and experiencing a loss of 14%. So these are certain numericals or problems related to the profit and loss. Hope you like my video. Please do share and subscribe. Thank you.